How to fix hunting sniper crashing or freezing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are playing hunting sniper and finding that the game keeps crashing, freezing or suddenly closing, then here are some fixes you could go ahead and try out. Firstly, close off the hunting sniper game completely. Go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen and bring up the app switcher. Close off the app from the app card and you'll be able to force close the hunting sniper app. Now, go ahead and restart your device. Press and hold the power switch and then tap on restart and restart your device. And once you are done restarting, it can clear temporary problems and free up system resources. After the restart is done, go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or if you are using smartphone, you can also connect to the mobile data. Once you have the stable internet connection, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the settings app from your Android. Under settings, scroll down and tap apps. Inside apps, go ahead and choose Hunting Sniper. Under Hunting Sniper, click on Clear Data at the bottom right, and in the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Now click OK in the pop-up to clear the cache data. Once you do that, go ahead and delete any other applications that you no longer need. Press and hold the app, tap on the trash icon to delete the app and click uninstall, and make sure that you clear out your storage space by deleting the app you no longer use. Once you have enough storage space, then another thing you can do is to open up the Hunting Sniper app now, and also make sure that this is the only application running on the background currently. Once you make sure of that, you can open the Hunting Sniper application and see if the issue has been resolved. So those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Hunting Sniper application keeps crashing or freezing on your Android. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.